Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Box Breakfast Club by Lane. Today, I'll be showing you the cup that we've got from Got Kicks Box Break. So we've recently joined Box Break via Facebook, and they would go live and rate the boxes. So here's a cup I've chosen: Milwaukee and Atlanta. So the risk of getting duplicates is very rampant. So let's just open this one. So it should be from Milwaukee and Atlanta players. Let's start with the base cards, and we'll just go over with the hits later. So let's start here. We have Jalen Johnson, another Jalen Johnson, Onyeka Okongwu, another Onyeka Okongwu, DeAndre Hunter, John Collins, Trey Young, Dante DiVincenzo, Drew Holiday, Bobby Portis, Giannis Antetokounmpo, and for the Heats, Bogdan Bogdanovic, Drew Parallel, Pure Players, Trey Young, Frequent Flyers, Giannis Antetokounmpo, another Frequent Flyers, Giannis Antetokounmpo, and another Pure Players, Trey Young. That's all for today. Thank you so much, and see you in next break.